I recently got a new name when I talked about Shah, when I was a Minister for Environment. Some people called me Bulldozer because of a video making rounds. That was my genuine show of support for Taifa Care, even before the President, William Ruto, deployed me to the Ministry of Health. At that time, I was simply doing what I believe every government leader should do, championing what will make our health system work under the whole government and whole society approach. I will not run away from that name. Please keep on calling me the Bulldozer. In fact, let me own it from today. Bulldozers don't build. They clear the way. They remove the obstacles. They make space for progress. And that's exactly what I intend to do here at Afi House.